Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, February 2nd, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I keep having people ask me if direct mail marketing still works, so I thought I would do a video explaining why it certainly still works, why it's the best time now to get into it, and how you can make money from it. So before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos, my name's Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. Been fortunate enough to work for myself full-time since 2018, both my wife and I, and I'm just truly passionate about helping other people make money from home. Okay, so direct mail marketing, why it still works in 2025 is because there's virtually no competition. All right, one of the reasons is there's very little competition, and if there's no competition, you're going to get more attention. Okay. It just flat out works. Now, the other thing is when you compare direct mail marketing to, say, email marketing, direct mail marketing has a 5 to 9% response rate on average, whereas email marketing, you're lucky if you get a 1 to 2% response rate on average. People tend to trust direct mail more than digital ads or emails, okay? I mean, I can't tell you how many emails I get in my inbox every single day that I just delete. I don't even open them because I know they're just spammy, people trying to sell me junk, okay? But when you're receiving postcards in the mail, something like this, once you're going to take a look at it, right? I mean, you're just going to take a look at it. So it works good in combination with online marketing, and I'm going to show you what I do here in a minute to maximize the online and offline together. All right, because if you do both, you're going to get twice as many eyeballs on your opportunities, and we all know that the more eyeballs on our opportunities equals more leads, which in turn equals more sales in the long run. Okay, and before I get any further, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with any opportunity that I'm involved with, but I can guarantee you that if you put in the work, show up each day, take massive action, and stay consistent, you can get results. All right, they might even be better than the results I get. There's no guarantee. But the action takers are the money makers, and the people who treat these opportunities like the real businesses that they are the ones who have success. All right, I always say if you treat it like a business, you're going to get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to get hobby pay. And if you treat it like 98% of the people who join these opportunities do, they take zero action, you're going to get zero results. So just keep that in mind, that it's all dependent on your work ethic, but there are people making fortunes and building huge empires with direct mail, even in 2025. This year is better than ever to get involved in direct mail if you've never done it before. Okay? So how you make this work is you have to have a great opportunity, all right? And I always say find something that you're passionate about in a niche that you're passionate about. Find a product or a service that has an affiliate program attached to it, and preferably something where you can make residual income, all right? You just don't want to have one-time sales and get one-time commissions. You want to have something where you can build residual income on the back end of it. Get your fast start bonuses up front, build residual income on the back. So you need to have postcards that are eye-catching, or letters that you send out that's somebody's going to read and want more information about what it is that you're trying to share with them. Okay, so what I do is, for my online marketing, I have a website, joinruss.com, where you can go and check out all of my opportunities. Okay, on top of that, I do videos, YouTube and Facebook videos, and I do videos like this one where I try to give valuable information to help people, and then I do live videos talking about the opportunities that I'm in. All right, and basically what I do is I have systems in place for all my opportunities that do all the selling and telling for me. So all I have to do is drive traffic to those systems. Now with the direct mail, I'm in 2 direct mail opportunities. Okay, and when you join these opportunities, the product that you're receiving are leads, and the leads that you get are opportunity-seeking leads. These are people who have requested more information about how they can supplement or replace their income from home, and So it's not like you're just sending these postcards out to random people. These are people who are looking for opportunities. All right, so what I do, instead of just mailing out the postcards, because I'm involved in more than one opportunity, I send out letters, okay? And the letter will have, it has a picture of me, it has my name, it has my contact information, it has a brief history about who I am, how long I've been doing it, and then it directs them to, I include a business card, my Join Russ business card. I have 2 $100 drop cards for opportunities that I'm in, and then I put my 2 postcards in with the letter. All right, and that just, it converts really, really well. And I get really good conversions by sending these letters out to people who are looking for ways to make money from home. Okay, so to answer your question, if direct mail marketing still works, if it's still relevant in 2025, the answer is 100% yes, but you have to work it. Okay, you can't just send out 10 pieces of mail and think that you're going to be, making $1,000 a month doing that. That's not how it works. You have to stay consistent. So, in other words, if you can only mail out 100 pieces of mail each month, then stick with the 100 pieces of mail. And then when you start making commissions, take some of that money, reinvest it back into your mailings, and double it up to 200. Now you're mailing out 200 pieces a month. When you start making commissions, keep some for yourself. Take some that you keep some that are left over so that you can put it back into your business. Double it up to 400 pieces of mail a month, and you just keep going like that, and you scale it. Okay, you scale your opportunities. You scale your direct mail. However many pieces of mail you're mailing out, whether it be postcards or letters, you scale it up to, to eventually where you're mailing out 500, 1,000, or even more every single month. And then you're really going to see some results. Then you're really going to start seeing results, because the people that stick with this and don't give up before they even get started. All right, a lot of people, they'll mail out 100 pieces of mail, they get very little results, if any, and then they think that it just doesn't work. But you have to stay consistent. All right, I can't say it enough. And it sounds like all my videos, I'm like a broken record, but I'm just telling everybody, because this is what I dealt with this. I did this before and never got results because I quit right away. I didn't stick with opportunities long enough. I was jumping from program to program to program. And when you really start getting success, when you really start seeing success, is when you decide to stick to an opportunity and stay with it longer than a month, all right? And just stay with it. Even when you feel like quitting, just do the same thing every single day. Create content, make videos, share your opportunity with as many people as you possibly can, and eventually you'll see results, okay? So I promote my online opportunities, or my work from home opportunities, both online and offline. You can use the leads you get with the direct mail opportunities that I'm in to share your other opportunities, or you can just share the postcards with the leads that you get from the opportunities. Either way you do it, it works. You just have to stay consistent with it, and it helps you drive traffic to all of your systems that you have set up. So when you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page where you can share this opportunity, whatever opportunity that you're involved with, to over 80 different places online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get my letter template so that you can use the exact same letter that I mail out. And then you're going to get my contact information to where you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions. All right, but don't overlook direct mail marketing, because even in 2025, it's, in my opinion, it's more relevant than ever. It 100% works if you work it, okay? So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But with that being said, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.